Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. So today let's make the most loved Nigerian crunchy snacks. So I have my flour there, the brown sugar, that's baking powder, and nutmeg with a pinch of salt. So we mix it all together. So here I have my melted butter, which is going in there with 2 eggs. I have the cold water there. So now we give it a good gentle mix. You don't want it to be too hard. So you can see me opening up my hands, my fingers, mixing all together. So you can see the consistency. So now we cover it and we let it relax for a few minutes whilst we prepare the oil to fry this. So that's the oil going in there. So I'm coming in now with onions. These onions will add a very rich flavor to the oil. I remove the onion. So now you scoop your dough in and then you let it fry. These buns, I can tell you, it's so crunchy, so good, rich in all the flavors you would love. It's a perfect snacks for your party. Thank you so much for watching. We see us in the next one. Bye.